Are you reaching for sugar, coffee, or alcohol to calm you down? Do you binge on food or a TV series to handle your stress? Too busy at work so you cut out exercise for a couple of weeks? Avoid your friends and social situations? If you can relate to this, then stick around because I'm about to share with you 5 common mistakes people make when handling stress. Hi, I'm Jess, Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. If you're human, it'd be hard to convince me that you haven't been under stress, especially in the last couple of years. We all handle stress differently, and I'd like to share with you the key mistakes I see people making. Stress isn't all bad. It's crucial for us to be able to adapt and grow. However, the constant stress that many of us are under these days can cause damage to not only our body, but our relationships, work, sleep, our health, and our quality of life. So let's talk about the top 5 mistakes I often see. Number 1, reaching for comforting foods. Often these are highly processed or sugar-filled foods like chips, chocolates and biscuits. Quick carbs that get our feel-good chemicals up as well as our blood sugar. But as we know, what comes up must come down, and this approach can lead to a roller coaster of stress, emotions and poor outcomes. Be mindful of your food choices. Nurture your body with whole foods, eat at appropriate times of the day, and take time out to eat your food. Your digestion will be so much better for it. Number 2, stopping or reducing exercise and movement. When things get busy, often exercise and movement goes by the wayside. These are actually where we can find a positive influence on our stress response, get our feel-good chemicals flowing, and encourage better food choices, improved blood sugar, and better sleep. These can all increase our resilience to stress. Remember, movement is also where we have fun, we connect with others, and we have a laugh. It's a stress relief in itself. Find something you love doing and get out there and give it a crack. Number 3, we revert to short, fast, and shallow breathing. When the fight and flight side of the nervous system becomes more dominant, then breathing becomes rapid and shallow. The body's preparing for a threat and it readies itself to stand and fight or run from the danger. We reduce the oxygen that's delivered to our tissues, affecting the function of muscles and organs, including the brain. Instead, focus on your breath at regular intervals throughout the day. Lengthen your breath, make it slow and long, especially your out breath. Try to lengthen that to 8 seconds to help encourage your nervous system back into the rest, relax and digest side of the nervous system. Number 4, drinking alcohol. Many people use it to wind down, but really the reality is that it disrupts quality of sleep, affects our blood sugar, dehydrates us, causes inflammation, and on it goes. Checking out isn't the worst thing to do when handling stress, but there are other ways to get a break from reality and to change your state. Instead, feed your body more water to hydrate your cells. Try having a chat with a friend. Do some exercise, get a life coach, play a game with your kids, or watch your favourite stand-up comedian. There are also many super effective and safe supplements that are specifically formulated to help you reduce stress and anxiety and wind down at night. And that brings me to the 5th mistake, avoiding social connection. Handling your stress yourself can be tough. Sometimes sharing your struggles can be really helpful, as can just having a good old chat, catching up and having a laugh with a good friend. So there's 5 mistakes people make commonly in handling their stress. So next time you feel like stress may be getting the better of you, look at your food choices, get out and move, lengthen your breath, put down the booze, and go and have a laugh with a friend. If you can relate to any of these, or you have any further questions on how to implement these changes, then leave us a question in the comments or send me a message. So this has been Jess from Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. For more stress relief tips, check out the articles on our website. Take care. Bye for now.